Hey guys, welcome to Muse Themes. My name is Ashton. Today I'm going to show you our custom cursor widget. This is really easy to use, but it can really add some stylization to your site, and its applications are endless. On our demo here, as I move the mouse over these various images, you see we get this really nice customized cursor as we roll over. And paired with the rollover effect on the images, it really adds some flair and makes the page much more interactive. There's no styling that has to be done within the widget. You can simply upload your own graphics into the widget directly and apply the effect on any page element using a graphic style. So let's dive right into Muse and we'll take a look at the setup. I have a nice demo project file here ready with some images ready to go for us to experiment on. And the first thing I want to do, of course, we'll drag the widget out to the page. And the only thing you're going to get is this widget loader element, and you can place this off to the side anywhere you want. Now, if I pop open the flyout panel, our first field is for our graphic style name. So once you assign a graphic style to the element that you want the cursor to appear over, you'll type it in this field. So for the sake of the demo, let's say I wanted a separate cursor to appear over each of these photos. So what I'll need to do is select the first photo, and we'll visit our graphic styles panel on the side toolbar here. I'll click this icon here to create a new style. Double click on the style and we'll give it a name. Now it is important to remember to keep your graphic style name simple. We get a lot of traffic and support with issues relating to improperly named graphic styles. So you want to make sure to keep it all lowercase and don't include any spaces or special characters in the name. For right now, I'll go ahead with something very simple with just cursor1. Great. Now let's repeat this process with new styles for each photo. I'll go ahead and select the second one, create a new style, and we'll name that one cursor2. And then once more with the third photo. And we'll go ahead and name this one cursor3. Perfect. Now back to our widget. In this instance, where we have 3 different cursors we want to include, we need 3 copies of the widget on the page, and that's going to be one for each graphic style. So I'm going to duplicate this a couple times, and I can do that by holding Option or Alt on a PC, clicking and holding, and dragging downwards. And one more time. Great. So let's jump into our first one, and I'll enter our graphic style name for the first photo. Got cursor1. And now I just need to add the cursor files. Now I have 3 different cursor icons already prepared in both PNG format and CUR format. It is strongly suggested that you include both, and you'll definitely need a CUR if you want functionality in Internet Explorer. There's lots of really easy and free file converters available online, so I definitely recommend it. So we'll go ahead and add the PNG first, and then we'll add the CUR. Perfect. Now for our second photo, we'll enter cursor2, go ahead and add our files, and then lastly, number 3, cursor3, the PNG, and the CUR. Fantastic. Now let's go ahead and give it a test in the browser. But before I do, I want to note that with the latest versions of this widget, it might not always function when you do a browser preview. It's vital that you publish your site to the web to see this widget in action. So you can either do an FTP upload to your server, or in this case, I'm just going to go ahead and publish to Business Catalyst, which you can do so by going to File, Publish. And I've already got a temporary domain set up there, so I'll click OK. Perfect. As I roll my mouse over our photos, there we go. I get my custom cursors displaying nicely. So that's our custom cursor widget, very simple to use, but has lots of applications and can really add some character to your layout. So as always, thanks again for watching, and if you have any issues at all, we're always here to help. Take care.